When you're looking for a company to take care of your ongoing property maintenance, it can be hard to find someone who is a right fit. You could hire a big company with lots of resources, but you'll feel like just another client on a list. You could hire some random person off Craigslist, but you'll never have peace of mind about their quality. You can hire a jack-of-all-trades cleaning group that says they do it all, but only do some of it well. You could hire a specialist for one kind of maintenance, but with 24 contractors, are you really getting the best deal? So what is the solution? The answer is simple. J&J Cleaning Services Plus. J&J Cleaning Services Plus is Chicago's leading provider of personalized, value-oriented cleaning and maintenance services. Whether you need ongoing care of your residential or commercial property, set up for snow removal or landscaping services, or are just looking for an improvement over your current maintenance contracts, J&J's Cleaning Services Plus is your one-stop for comprehensive on-site cleaning and care. Is your condo association or property management group looking for a change in the right direction for your maintenance agreements? J&J Cleaning Services can create a customized package of services for your group. We work closely with you to get an understanding of what your property needs. And of course, it all comes at an exceptional value with your satisfaction guaranteed. But there's more to J&J than our great services and unbeatable prices. What makes us different is that our team brings a personal touch and focus on the details to every one of our properties. We're not too big, not too small, not too specialized. In a word, we care. We're happy when your home or business is spotless, and that dedication is why we've been a Chicago staple for over 9 years. So why settle for a less than perfect match? Remember, it's J&J Cleaning Services Plus. Call us at 312-282-3042 or email us at info@jnjchicago.com.